XPAC is a manufacturer of innovative packaging equipment. And we quickly discovered that the conventional approach was insufficient to address the variety of needs that our customers had. We could only extend conventional equipment to a certain point at which we reach its capacity and limitations. We have to become even more innovative, and we have to look for more flexible and capable tools. So we started looking into other areas to supplement their needs, and we discovered robotics. With the robots, we started with a clean slate. We didn't want to fall into the trap of using a robot to replace the same mechanisms of a conventional system. We kind of had to reinvent the way we think about robotics and leverage their capabilities to the max. By leveraging robotics, we can do far more than we could have ever done with conventional equipment. So once we realized we needed robotics, we just had to find the right partner. And that's when ABB stepped in. You have tools like Robot Studio, where you could simulate the robotic motions, and then you could simply download that right into the robot. And it's so precise, it's as if you were doing it with the real thing. I love that part. I really like it. I tell you, you have no idea how beneficial that software tool is for people like us and our own customers. And that's why I want to emphasize it. Because if our customers see and relate that, you know what, our support to you means that we could easily simulate your scenario, however it has to be, in whatever it changes, and provide you with a file that you could simply install in your robot and run your product. That's just phenomenal. We recognize that we can impact our customers' business in the way that we develop solutions for them. So we take ownership of that responsibility and we innovate. And to do that, we leverage our partners as much as we can. And that's why ABB is such a great fit for XPAC. It's understandable that customers can see change, particularly dramatic change, as a risk. But in the case of robotics, it's almost a no-brainer. This added flexibility, together with small footprint and the adaptability of these robotic systems and solutions, are part of a broader picture we call the adaptive line, where a production line, by simply selecting a recipe, can reconfigure itself and adapt to whatever product the customer needs to run at any given time in whatever batch quantities they want to run. And this is only attainable by marrying these technologies together and leveraging the robotic systems that are available from ABB. And this is how we see the future of innovative robotic packaging solutions.